Okay, so let's do a quick example. And again, let's keep it consistent. Let's look at tacos, but then we have two goods, tacos and soda, or pop. All right, so tacos and soda. So we have a limited budget. Let's say our budget is $10. The price of tacos equals $2, and the price of soda equals $1. And so, given these prices and our budget, as well as our preferences, as well as what determines our margin utility of having these two different goods, we're going to try to maximize our total utility by using this idea of figuring out purchasing goods based on our bang for our buck. All right, so let's think about, here's the quantity. This will be the marginal utility of tacos. Here's the margin utility of soda. And so we need to be given what these margin utilities are going to be, right? These are our preferences. We're trying to use our budget and the prices as well as these preferences to come up with the combination of tacos and sodas that maximize our total utility. All right, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if we're going to get up to 7, but let's say the margin utility of this first taco is 20, second is 16, 12, 8, 4, 0, and then let's say it's -4, but probably not going to purchase that, right? If we're being rational. And then we have the margin utility of soda. Let's say the margin utility of that first soda is 9. And let's just go down by 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Well, the first thing we need to do to figure out the combination, so now we have all the information we need, but the first thing we need to do is kind of figure out what the bang for our buck of each of these goods are, and at each quantity. So we want to come up with another column here, which is going to be the margin utility of tacos over the price of tacos. Right? That's that bang for a buck that we were talking about before. Hopefully you have enough room to. And then we have the bang for the buck of soda. So margin utility of soda over the price of soda. This other line is just to separate the numbers. All right, so the price of tacos was 2. The margin utility of this first one was 20, which means that we're essentially dividing this column by 2 because the price was $2 for each of these tacos. So the bang for your buck of the first taco is 10, then 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, -2. And then for soda, because the price of soda is just 1, we're dividing each of these numbers by 1, and so they'll remain the same. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All right, so now we actually have, all we have to do is figure out which of these combinations we want. So remember our budget starts at $10, and we're gonna kind of work our way down. So we have $10 to spend. Well, what are we gonna buy first? Well, we're comparing, we can either buy the first taco or the first soda. Well, this first taco is going to give us the most bang for our buck, and we can afford it because we have $10 and it only costs $2. So we're going to buy a taco, and then we have $8 left. Hopefully this fits in the screen, and so now our budget's down to 8. So we've purchased this first taco. So now we're deciding, what are we going to do? We have $8 left. Do we want a soda or do we want another taco? Well, the bang for our buck from the next taco is 8, but the bang for the buck of the first soda, and we haven't purchased any yet, is 9. So we're going to purchase a soda. That costs us $1, so we have $7 left. Now we can decide, do we want our second taco or do we want our second soda? Well, they both give us 8, so we're kind of indifferent to which one of these we want. But luckily, we can afford them both. So we're gonna get a soda plus a taco. And that's gonna cost us $3. Really, we're indifferent. You can do it one at a time if you want. I'm just gonna put them both together to speed things up a bit. So that means we have $4 left. So now we have $4. We can purchase our third taco or we can get a third soda. Well, the third soda is giving us a bigger bang for our buck than the third taco. So we're gonna get a soda. That's gonna cost us $1. We have $3 left. Now we're gonna think, what are we gonna do next? We have $3, we can buy another taco or a fourth soda or a third taco. I mean, we're indifferent towards them because they give us the same for bang for our buck. So we can just do one at a time, doesn't matter which one. But notice that we can afford them both, and that's just what our budget has left. So we're gonna purchase both of them, soda plus taco. And that's $3, then we have nothing left. I don't know if I should put a line there, that might be a little bit confusing, but. So let's think of what our optimal bundle is. So this is the bundle that maximizes our total utility is 1, 2, 3, 4 sodas and 3 tacos. 4 sodas, 3 tacos. So this is the amount that's going to maximize our total utility. But notice we're using this bang for our buck and the margin utility over the price for the bang for our buck to figure out which of these bundles of goods, which combination of these goods is going to maximize this total utility. And so here we find that purchasing 4 sodas and 3 tacos is going to maximize our total utility.